Start now. Three,
How six? I have five.
3, 2, 1, go. Shloka fail. Anurag 1 point.
Shoka six and me.
No, this is fresh. Anurag 1, Shloka 0.
What?
Yeah, start. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. This is fresh race. Come on. It just started again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Anurag 1, Shloka 1.
No, I have no one.
No, he got 1 point. Play.
Ready, steady, go.
Not counted because Shloka's car hit her leg. Not counted.
Okay. Ready, steady, go.
Shloka 2, Anurag 1.
I'll try the lorry. Lorry will win this race. No. Ready, steady, go.
Shloka 3, Anurag 1.
No, Soka car was fast. I helped Soka like this.
Now,
This is uncountable.
now it's counting.
Ready,
3, 1.
steady, go.
Okay. 4, 2.
Anya two.
Yeah, you 4.
Ready, steady, go.
Not counted.
I'll not try this car. This is car way yuck. I'll try this. Ready, steady, go. Yeah!
Both got points?
I got 3, Soka got 5.
Okay.
Ready, steady, go. Oh my god.
Shloka
got
6, Anurag 3. So whoever reaches 8, they are the winner.
What?
Yeah.
2, 8?
Yes. Shloka is at 6, Anurag is at 3.
Daddy.
Whoever reaches 8 points first, they are the winners.
This is super current, right? Ready, steady, go.
No, not counted.
Why?
That car hit Shloka's leg.
Ready, ready, steady, go.
7, 3.
This sharp edge just hit me.
It's okay. If both cars hit, it's fine. It should not hit you.
Ready, steady, go.
Not counted.
This is cheating. Ready, steady, go.
Okay, Shloka 8, Anurag 4. Game over. Shloka is the winner.
Give me that card. I want to play.
Okay, Shloka.